I'm just outside Kill, the Quantock Kills, to get this little honesty box stall. Not been in yet. They apparently have cakes, jams, eggs. So we'll have a quick look. We've got a few flowers. We've got the where you put your money, and we've got some some pesto, some pickles. We've got some gluten-free cake, it looks nice, and we've got some dog biscuits, look like pickled eggs. Some other things here. They're just like we take PayPal as well. There's the so just outside Kilf. We've got some clothing pieces. So what's in here? Now we've got eggs, £2. I'm gonna buy this because I feel like I need to buy something. It's £2 and I'm peckish. Okay, so I'll put in enough. This is all my change. I hope I don't regret it. I've got to pay parking in a bit, likely. Yeah, so we've got some cake, so let's try it out. It feels kind of hard. Very crumbly. Look at that. Yeah, definitely a subtle, nice, sweet taste, and taste some kind of flavouring. Absolutely lovely. Very good.